Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be doing linear programming. And the question says, a patient in a hospital needs at least 18 grams of protein, 6 milligrams of vitamin C, and 5 milligrams of iron per meal, which consists of two types of food, A and B. Type A contains 9 grams of protein, 2 milligrams of vitamin C, and no iron per mass unit. Type B contains 3 grams of protein, 2 milligrams of vitamin C, and 5 milligrams of iron per unit mass. The energy value of A is 800 kilograms and that of B is 400 kilograms per mass unit. There are X mass units of A and Y mass units of B on the patient split. Given in terms of X and Y, give us the mathematical constraints which must be satisfied, the objective function which gives the kilojoule intake per meal, represent the constraints graphically, shade the feasible region, the value of X and Y which will give the minimum kilojoule intake per meal for their patient, the amount of kilojoule which are taken in by the patient in this case. Take note, at least it means greater than or equal to, and we have protein, vitamin C, and iron. A is 800 kilograms energy value and B is 400. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the objective function. Our objective function, like in the question, the energy value of A is 800 and the energy value of B is 400. The question said there are X mass units of A and Y mass units of B. Therefore, we substitute A with X and B with Y. Now, you must do this small table in order for you to understand everything. And here are our constraints. Here are our coordinates. You just go for X equals to 0. And then you substitute 0 in X in order for you to get our Y value. There are our coordinates, and then there are our other coordinates. For 2x plus 2y equals to 6, you substitute where there is 0 to get your y coordinate, and you substitute 0 where there is y to get your x coordinate. And then the last constraint, which is 5y is equal to x is equal to 5, it's going to be 5x equals to 5, you divide by 5, and then you get y is equal to 1. And then we have our graph. I've already done the graph, and here is our feasible region. Because it is greater than or equal to, we shade the upper part of the graph. And then we have A, B, and C. We already have the coordinates for C, which is 0 and 6. Now, for point A, which is this one, we calculate, we do it simultaneously in order for us to get our A values. And then we substitute it, we got our A values as 2 and 1. And for B, we also substituted using the simultaneous equation in order for us to get our B. So that we can answer question 4, which says we must minimize the minimum intake per meal for the patient, which is X. The minimum is when X is equals to 1,200 and Y is equal to 200. We are minimizing. And question 5, which is the amount of kilojoules which are taken in by the patient. In this case, it is 1,800 kilojoules. Thank you. I hope you understand.